preparing the car for the next. We are going to Mörrum to see how that looks. I will prepare this, take it away, and we are soon heading off. So continue watching. Good morning, we're outside Sölvesborg on the east coast, and there is some snow. We are in Hörvikshamn, Hörvik. €150 krona per night, including electricity. It's nice, it's quiet, sleeping good. There is even someone living on. There is someone living on a motorboat, which disappeared in the. Oh. Toot.
Hi.
Hi. I'm making a movie.
And there's coffee ongoing inside. Sheila has done
her things. Great. Now it's coffee time. We have been a night in Hörvik on the east coast, close to Sölvesborg, and now we are going for a short stop to empty some grey water, and then we are going to Mörrum to see how that looks, because the river in Mörrum is really famous for salmon hunting, fishing, I mean. There was no one there yesterday. I hope there is no one there now. It's a car, but yeah. Oh, quite clean back camera. That
Look,
was.
it's a Saab Cabriolet. Don't destroy it. It's one piece. I owned one of these upon a time.
When you were younger.
Young and crazy.
No, younger. Now you're just a little bit older and
Yes.
even more crazy. Yeah, what did we think about this place?
Value for money, I think.
150 Swedish crowns. I don't think there is anyone coming. And we had electricity with 16 amp, toilet, showers, and here we could also release some grey water. And it's in here, I believe. Have to drive backwards, but not from here. I will turn there a little bit closer. Let's see, 115 meters.
And we're hiding this spot in the middle of the harbor. You can see the fishing boats here.
So it's almost like a Führerschein, what do you say? Driving license test here now.
Well done, Karina. We'll
Yes.
see.
We'll
Now
see.
we're emptying it.
I'm the best chauffeur.
Yeah.
I'm the best driver. I'm the best driver.
Darling, perfect. You managed to park for the grey water emptying. Now we're leaving the fishing boats behind here and entering more inland with Mörrums River. Something we argue about is to follow the GPS or not. And sometimes the GPS always want to pull you out on the highway. So, for example, here we're going to Mörrum. It's a little bit further out here. But instead of driving the small narrow road, it's trying to pull us out on the highway for a couple of kilometers. So sometimes you have to judge by yourself. Don't trust the GPS too much. Of course, maybe today it's
But you never trust the GPS. Navigate system. Never.
No, after some of the experience we had, the GPS pulls us out on extremely small narrow roads. I agree to that. Now we're passing Pukavik directly at the water. You don't see much, but it's a lot of nice places here. Camping.
So that's why sometimes it's not necessary to go these smaller streets, because you don't see anything anyhow because of the weather.
Mörrum, 5 kilometers. And Carina takes us safely to the destination. Now we're entering Mörrum. Yeah, let's see if we can find the river with all the fish in. Maybe it's not the peak season now in February, but let's have a look at least. And we have no clue where we can park close to the river, but we will find a spot.
Is at the grocery shop doing some shopping. I am making porridge. A quick lunch. I'm hungry. And we take that before we go down to Mörrums River.
So,
Shopping the whole...
No, but some groceries. So I even bought some big frozen shrimps, high quality, some chili.
Going down to watch the Mörrum one.
So this part was Danish until 1658. So this was the Danish guys starting to fish salmon here first, and they've been fighting about it.
Let's take a look at your favorite.
Yes.
Favorite. What do you say? Interest.
Look, a lot of water.
You are far away, but I say that. Oh, it's a lot of water. Woo! The force of the nature. And now I don't want to drop my camera into the water. I think that would be a very stupid idea. But here we can fish salmon, but it's not for free. Oh, this is slippery bridge. I don't think I will go down there. Halbro, no. I skip that part. I just go down. your biggest dream in the world?
It's maybe not my biggest dream, but I like to fish. And you can catch salmon and sea trout. And the sea trout in this river can grow up to 15 kilos. And the average weight of the salmon catch here is 10 kilo. They have, some of them are up to 20 kilos. You catch them in this wild water here. And I would say this is the most famous river in Sweden for fishing. Mörrums River.
Like thousands of people is coming here.
Yeah, it's indicating 10,000 to 12,000 people yearly coming here.
From different countries.
Yes, 20 different countries. I mean, it's the season when they are now, let's say, not allowed to fish. It's starting from end of March until end of September or somewhere, where they are allowed to fish.
Oh, I hope I won't fall in because I have very slippery shoes. Matilda, she didn't try to go here. Wow. Jagar du på?
All the ducks, sitting ducks. A beautiful path on both sides of the river here. I guess the guys going around fishing have some nice spots here. And now, don't slip into water, Carina.
No.
It can be cold and wet.
Yes. I think particularly this water is really wet.
We are at the Silver Force, or what its name. Let's go back towards the big place. It's a little bit scary. Sheila almost was falling into the water. Ah!
Woo! I made it, we made it. Yes, Sheila.
Carina is giving Sheila some freaking treat. And she, Carina, why has the spring arrived?
Because you can see here is hassel and it's all, they have started to blooming, so I can feel it. I'm allergic towards pollen. So I've started to put some medication in my body to cope with this for the rest of the year. Thank you for watching this fishing video. I hope you like it, and if you did, please subscribe for more videos. Give me a like and a comment. Take care until next time. See you soon. Bye bye.